Everyone have different type of new year resolution. My new year resolution is to become rich, but I tried in several time, like starting with the same things. But this time I am thinking to record everything what I am doing to become rich. Like I tried like 3 or 4 times to become rich and I failed. I started business and I did lots of things. All of them got failed. In like few days ago I started with the same process. Then I started doing eBay. uh, First initially I started like I need little bit amount of money. What I did, I started doing Uber Eats and DoorDash, and I make a decent amount of money, and with those money I started a business which is failed. And but I am thinking to try again from the scratch, and I'm thinking to record everything what I am doing. And if I fail, it doesn't matter, it's still record. I know it can be failed, but this time I have pretty confidence. First, share my idea what how I will do. First of all, initial stage, there is like in my theory there is like one option to become rich, which is you have to start a business. Without starting business you're never gonna make lots of money. You can make lots of money by doing hard work or doing something like Uber Eats or doing something like work on restaurants or work on McDonald's. You can make like decent amount of money, but you can't become rich. Like you can't own like a sports car or other thing. But there is some catch also. But some people own supercar, or some people own lots of things by doing like just simple job. But I really respected them, but I can't do that. But there is, so in my theory there is like one option to become rich. You have to start a business. For starting a business you need like little bit amount of money, which is like 5,000, 10,000. It's depend on what you are starting. Like if you want to start a drop shipping business, it costs you like smaller amount of money. But if you are thinking to start a bigger business or web agency or other type of bigger business, it's cost you lots of amount of money. So you need that much amount of money. So what I can do, I have like literally I have just one option, and I tried several times, like more than 4 or 5 times in here in Australia and in my home country also. In Australia I tried recently and I just failed with really really fucked up way. But what I did, I am doing the same things. I know I'm little bit stuttering because English is not my first language, so that's why. To start a business, you need little bit amount of money. Without money, you can start a business, but it's bit hard. Without money, I mean, it's totally tough. But if you wanna try to start a business without money, that's really good. That's here. There is no things to lose. If you are starting with like money, there is some like risk involved. So what I'm trying to do, like make a little bit amount of money with uh, uh, like doing something physical work, then start a online business, then become rich. But if I fail, then I have to start from scratch, which is I'm thinking. Then so first of all, which type of business I'm thinking, but which type of business I will start. There's so many business ideas, but if I'm trying to do like drop shipping, which is little bit risky, but I have something on my mind, I will try to do that. But for that I need little bit a smaller amount of money, like 500 or 1,000 bucks. Without money I can't thinking to start. I can't think that can be possible without money. So for those amount of money I will do something like physical work, working on restaurant or working on other things. Before starting the video, there is like I want to say something, which is this is my first video and there is two types of content will be available. uh, One is like this channel to become rich, and there is another a normal type of video, like trying some side hustles and trying some do other things. And but in this series to become rich, in whatever I am saying, you already saw the in the title on thumbnail also. What I'm trying in this in this series you will be seeing like lots of crazy. I'm thinking to start a proper business means like get funding or starting a business with great idea, unique idea, and get funding from like top VC, venture capitalists, but other things also, like building apps, everything I'm thinking to do.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud, you better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more, speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
Okay, by the way, I want to say something. I record this video after the doing delivery because there is no other option to do it, so that's why. But this is my first video. I know it's not gonna be perfect, but in future I will promise my all video gonna be little bit perfect, like little bit more creativity. I will try to add some more creativity. I have previous experience also, but I don't know, I'm little bit camera shy. I love to work on behind the camera. I already work like for like 4 or 5 channel behind the camera, but this is my first time in front of camera. This is the end of the video, but if you're still watching, that's I have to say heads off, and meet you next video.